We are here today in Xiamen, China to introduce the new Scandinavian Cruiser 20. This boat has taken David, you're a radio guy, you know how to do this. This boat has taken more than 2 years to develop by a big team of people, including Erik Sponberg, the designer of the Scandinavian Cruiser 40, which is the father of the Scandinavian Cruiser 20. They are identical boats, except for the size, scaled down. And I would also like to introduce David Winter and his wife Hongyan, who are the builders here in Xiamen, China. And as you can see, they built something beautiful. And that's what we're going to celebrate today. So please come forward and have some champagne, all of you. I'm going to pour it while we're christening the first boat. Okay, Hongyan, Red Dragon Boats in Xiamen. David Winter, Red Dragon Boats, Xiamen, China. Raymond, where's Raymond? And Raymond, please introduce your supervisors. They should have some champagne as well. And everybody else, we still have more glasses, so come forward, introduce more. Candy in charge of purchasing and many other things, design. Okay, we have 2 more guys. Thank you. So cheers everybody.
Yes,
cheers.
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 Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to explain a little bit about the boat, part by part. First, let me explain the various pieces of equipment. The Scandinavian Cruiser 20 is a lifting keel, has a lifting keel, as you clearly see here. And here is the lifting cradle, which you need to use when you take the boat in and out of the water. Engine fitting. The boat comes with an outboard engine, and the engine fitting is on the side of the boat. Later we will give you more details about that. Boom crutch, we didn't use it this time, but it goes in here. And you simply put the boom in the boom crutch like this. Finally, the flagpole for your national flag. Very important, but we don't have a flag today, so we leave it to you. Okay, now I'm going to ask Raymond to help me to put some sails on, and in a few minutes we're going to go sailing. Thank you.